Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make churros for beginners. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Also, have 1 large egg ready. These basic items are all you need to start your churro adventure. Make sure your butter is softened. Now let's create the perfect churro dough. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove from heat and quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a smooth ball of dough forms. Let it cool for about 5 minutes. Next, we'll prepare the dough for frying. Beat 1 large egg into your slightly cooled dough until it's completely incorporated and smooth. This step is crucial for the churro's texture. Then, transfer the dough into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 3 to 4 inch churros directly into the hot oil. Fry your churros for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Remove them from the oil and drain on a paper towel-lined plate. While still warm, roll them generously in a mixture of sugar and cinnamon. Serve them with your favorite dipping sauce, like chocolate or caramel. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade churros.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.